Have you ever set 10 alarms for 6 a.m. only to snooze through every single one and wake up at 8:30 in a panic? If you are nodding your head right now, congratulations. You are part of an exclusive club that nobody wants to be in. Today, we are diving deep into the twisted psychology behind why some people turn their phones into alarm orchestras, yet still manage to be chronically late to everything. Let me paint you a picture that might hit a little too close to home. It is Sunday night. Tomorrow, you have that important meeting at 9 a.m. You are determined to wake up early, maybe even hit the gym before work. So, you set your first alarm for 5:30, just to be safe. But wait, what if you don't hear it? Better set another one for 5:35, and another for 5:40. Before you know it, you have created a symphony of alerts that would make a fire station jealous. The next morning arrives. That first alarm goes off. Your brain, still swimming in sleep hormones, performs some Olympic-level mental gymnastics. It calculates that you can snooze for 9 more minutes, and still have plenty of time. Snooze. The second alarm rings. Your half-conscious mind recalculates. 18 minutes of extra sleep is still manageable. Snooze again. This pattern continues, until you have transformed from an early bird, into a stressed-out zombie rushing to put on pants while brushing your teeth. Sound familiar? You aren't alone. And more importantly, you aren't broken. There is actual science behind this madness, and understanding it might just change your life. First, let's talk about what is happening in your brain. This behavior stems from something psychologists call optimism bias. When you are setting 10 alarms on Sunday night, you genuinely believe that future you will be different from current you. Future you is motivated, disciplined. Future you is basically a superhero who springs out of bed ready to conquer the world. But here is the thing about future you, they are dealing with the same brain you have right now. And that brain has some quirky features. When you are in deep sleep, your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for willpower, is essentially taking a vacation. Meanwhile, your limbic system, which craves comfort, is running the show. So when that alarm goes off, you aren't making a rational decision. You are operating on pure survival instinct. Warm bed equals safety. Cold morning air equals danger. The multiple alarm strategy actually makes this problem worse. Each time you set an additional alarm, you are giving yourself permission to ignore the previous one. You have created what researchers call moral licensing. Your brain thinks that because you were so responsible in setting multiple backups, you have earned the right to use them. It is like buying gym equipment and feeling accomplished before you have even worked out. There is also a fascinating phenomenon called sleep inertia. When you wake up during deep sleep, your brain needs time to fully boot up. It is like trying to run complex software on a computer that is still loading its operating system. During this groggy period, which can last anywhere from 15 minutes to several hours, your decision-making abilities are significantly impaired. You literally aren't capable of making the rational choice to get up, even when you know you should. But why do some people struggle with this more than others? The answer lies in chronobiology, your body's internal clock. Some people are natural larks, biologically programmed to feel alert in the morning. Others are owls, with internal clocks that run later. If you are an owl trying to force yourself into a lark schedule, you are fighting against millions of years of evolutionary programming. Your body is producing melatonin, the sleep hormone, at times when society expects you to be awake. No amount of alarm setting can overcome a biological mismatch. The 10-alarm phenomenon also reveals something deeper. Many chronic snoozers are what psychologists call present bias thinkers. You value immediate rewards over future consequences. The immediate reward of 9 more minutes of sleep feels more valuable than the future benefit of being on time. This isn't laziness, and it isn't a lack of intelligence. It is a specific way of processing time that prioritizes short-term comfort. But here is where things get really interesting. People who set multiple alarms often have higher than average anxiety levels, particularly around performance. The excessive alarm setting is actually a coping mechanism. You are trying to create a safety net to protect you from failure. But paradoxically, this safety net becomes a trap. There is also an element of perfectionism. Many multiple alarm setters have an all-or-nothing mentality. If you snooze past your ideal wake-up time, you feel like the day is already ruined. So why not snooze a few more times? The good news is that your brain is incredibly adaptable. Instead of fighting your natural tendencies, use them. If you struggle with morning motivation, make waking up as easy as possible. Set up your environment the night before so that getting out of bed leads immediately to something you enjoy, like coffee or a podcast. And try adjusting your bedtime to align with when your body actually wants to sleep. Sometimes, the solution isn't better alarms. It is better sleep timing. The multiple alarm habit reveals something beautiful about human nature. We are optimistic creatures. We believe we can change. That Sunday night version of yourself setting 10 alarms isn't delusional, they are hopeful. So the next time you find yourself setting multiple alarms, remember, you aren't lacking willpower. You are a complex human being, trying to balance rest, responsibility, and self-care. The goal isn't to become a different person overnight. The goal is to align your habits with your reality. Welcome to Psychology Street. Subscribe if you are ready to wake up.